Good afternoon. I am Nick123, also known as Gary. I have just completed OMNICAMP. Fantastic. My confidence has been renewed. The courtesies extended were fantastic. The people, everybody just as pleasant as could be. Good food. What all can I say here? The biggest thing is you really helped my confidence. I've kind of tracked the same way, but without seeing the Omni perform as it does, I never had this kind of confidence before. I'm hoping it takes me further. I can't tell you all how much thank you. Thank you. It's been a great experience. I hope to carry it forward. I believe this site will share a lifetime together. And thank you. And the best of luck to all of you. Up yours, Oscar!